In the last video, we have seen how to display the image by using a label. Now, we will display the image by using text. So first write down from tick enter import star. Then you have to import image and image tk from pill package. Then for displaying the window, we are writing here root equal to tk, root.geometry to display or to set the size of the GUI window. Now we'll write down the canvas object. We'll create a canvas object canvas equal to, this is a variable, canvas root, comma. You can give the width of the canvas with width equal to 300 or as per your requirement, comma. Provide the height for the canvas, HRGST, height equal to 350. As per the requirement, you can say the size of the canvas. Now pack the canvas, canvas.pack. Now which image you want to display, take it image equal to by using the photo image, and for the file argument supply the label of the image. Again for JPG we have to add one more line, canvas dot create image where at the position of XY 2020 anchor equal to NW, and what is the image you want to display, we have taken it in RMG. As we are using the JPEG, so we'll write here image equal to image dot open and give the image name filmspec.jpg, and under that img equal to photo image tk dot photo image, and we have taken the input in image, so supply the argument directly here, image. Okay, the program is ready now. So we have defined the geometry for our window. Canvas we have defined with the width and height of 350. We have packed the canvas. Then image we have written this statement as we are displaying the JPG image. If you have GIF and other format, PPM format, PGM formats, then you can go for directly the statement of using the photo image. Now run the program. Hey, here is the image. Wow! So this is how you can create the canvas and display the image using canvas inside the canvas. Thank you.